And you can almost hear a pin drop. An exchange of stares, and we're ready to go. And he has done his bit.
Looks like he's done it 1,000 times. Never looked like missing.
Saka next in line, and here he is. Great stop! And the keeper punches the air.
Oh, the keeper's done brilliantly to keep his eye on the ball and make such a great save.
Ecuador are putting real pressure on here if they put this away. And he's put them two in front. So down by 2, another miss can be game, set and match. Big character, big moment, big save. The third man in the queue. That's how it's done, he made the keeper commit.
Yeah, it's a guessing game for the keeper and he guessed wrong.
The margin of error is 0. Ecuador have come through in the most dramatic fashion, and the show goes on. The ultimate test of nerve and mettle, and they have made the grade.
Tickets you were given when you were walking through the gates.
Well, there's really nothing quite like the excitement of a penalty.